ma'am. My name is Rebecca Falar, and today I'm going to do a pasteurization of milk. The indications of this is to relieve the urinary retention, to relieve the urinary incontinence, to drain the bladder prior to peri and post-operative, and for patients that patients that are in prostate, that have prostate enlargement. Now, I'm going to do is we do the 12 sequence first. Read and check the chart, then knock on the door for emergency. Sir, good morning, sir. I am Rebecca Falar, and today I am your caregiver from 5 to 8 p.m. So, sir, I'm going to do a categorization. Then 12 sequence done, ma'am. Next is untap the top sheet. Then fold into horizontal pan folding. Then abduct the leg, both hands at the abdomen. Then put towel above the breast. Then another towel in between the legs. Next, I'm going to prepare the material. So, get the catheter, check its integrity. So, this is silicone type, bench number 14, color bead for male. And there are 4 types of catheter: the indwelling catheter, the intermittent, and the suprapubic and the condom catheter. So, then get the Euro bag, check its integrity. Now I'm going to open the catheter. Then get the Euro bag, insert it to the urine port of the catheter. Then to the side, get the syringe, aspirate. Then introduce air. Aspirate to 58 cc. Then use forceps. Remove the needle. Then insert it into the balloon port of the catheter. Then set aside. Now we're going to prepare the cotton balls. 1, 3. Apply betadine. Next is I'm going to bring the tray to the bed. Makita naman. Then, get the cotton balls with the line to clean the urethra and corona. Yes, ma'am.
How about yours?
Hi, so name pa man ni ma'am.
Kaya na tayo, pero you should be your trusted.
Ah,
I have come to, so, yeah, for
four steps na. So, I'm going to get cotton balls with the dye. So, hold the tennis, then in, the urethra, at the center, then wider, then to the corona, discard.
okay, so,
So, what is 3 times? Next is, change sterile gloves. I change clean gloves to sterile gloves. So, hand sanitize or apply hand sanitizer. Get this sterile gloves, check its integrity and the insert right. Then, wipe the flap and drop. Next is get the catheter. Then, hold the penis. Sir, we're going to ma'am. Then apply kiwi jelly. Yes, 6 to 8 inches. Then, ask permission to the patient. Sir, I'm going to insert now the catheter. So I will now ask you to breathe freely at the count of 3.
no counting, no counting.
Ano counting now?
Okay, sir, just breath for your mouth.
Sir, breathe freely through your mouth. Hold the penis 90 degrees.
Nakatayo, ang penis nakatayo. Sir, breath for your mouth, sir. Keep on talking, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Breath for your mouth.
Sir, breathe through your mouth. Now I'm going to advance the catheter. 8 inches. If the urine flow is coming out, then stop the insertion. Next is inflate the balloon. Hold then, set aside the syringe. Pull slightly and gently. If there any resistance, then the balloon is inflated. Then, yes, ma'am. Then the balloon is inflated. Then, push back slowly and gently to avoid obstruction of the urinary bladder.
Urethral opening.
Urethral opening. Then, tunok sa back. Asa mo si Pare? Now, we're going to secure the catheter. Secure the urine tube. So, intertwine, then wala ni plaster.
Hello,
Plaster.
Ah. Namurot na daw. Kira magdara ko sila
Pork first and then we went.
Then, number 5.
I think dalawang plastic ka bro.
Next is place the euro, hang the euro bag to avoid UTI. Then avoid touching.
Dapat picture area, no?
Yes,
Under.
under.
Picture area. Picture pass at dapat picture area.
Pass it under the potential area. Then hang it there to avoid UTI. Avoid touching the ground to avoid cross-contamination. Then I'm going to do documentation, date and time, patient's reaction, number of French catheter, then the number of CC we inflated to the balloon. Then next is before and after vital sign, and
Reaction.
patient's reaction.
Volume and character delivery, no?
Volume and characteristics of the urine, ma?
Urine. Urine.
Okay.
Oh.
Then, going to proceed to removal. So, first is get the empty bottle to drain the euro bag. Then, get cotton balls with H2O to moisten the plaster. Then, gently remove. Start. Then, inflate the balloon. I deflate the balloon. Right. Now, the count of 3, will ask the patient to breathe freely. Sir, I'm going to ask you to breathe freely. So, remove. Along with the sterile gloves. Then, get the cotton ball with betadine to change another glove. So, as this, there are another gloves. Then, forceps to clean the center and wider. And done. Now I'm going to do the documentation. Date and time to did the removal, who assisted, and patient's reaction before and after vital sign, number of CC deflated, the number of ml being drained, and the characteristics of the urine output, and also the patient's reaction.
Instruction of the patient after removal. Right after removal.
Right after removal, the reaction of the patient.
What instruction are you going to give? Right after removal.
So after removal, if the patient cannot urinate within 6 to 8 hours,
Even mo, sir, you have to urinate within. Yeah, after patient.
sir, you have to urinate within 6 to 8 hours. If you cannot urinate within, then you will be inserted to another set of catheter.
So if the patient cannot urinate, how do you stimulate again? How do you stimulate if the patient cannot urinate?
Let the patient hear the sound of water coming out in the faucet. Then apply pressure to the hypoglossal area of the patient. And to alternate splashing of cold and warm water. And also increase fluid intake if not contraindicated. Then, blood content after care.
After care.
Patient positioning.
Managal sa tiyo.
Mana mo?
O positioning mo na care. Okay, good. Kaya magandang ka mo. Release ka mo na. Ibalikan mo. Okay?
Love more!
Kailangan mo, no? Ako, magbibalikan na sila. Masya ila, go po, sila na po.
Look!